Hey guys, coming to you from the Fox 2 parking lot. Check out this ride. We're going to get back in the studio in a second, but what a fun day to be out here in the sun. Bill Derringer is going to show us a little bit more about this 1998 Corvette. This is being auctioned off, and you can actually get your hands on it coming up on Thursday, June 16th. How? Well, it's all thanks to Cass Community Social Services. They're actually auctioning off this car at their big annual fundraiser, and a very familiar face to Metro Detroit is Reverend Faith Fowler with Cass Community Social Services. Good to see you, Reverend. I'm so glad I get to MC this event coming up on the 16th. Talk about why this event is so important to Cass and what you do.
Well, this is an annual fundraiser for us, so we not only can tell what happened in the last year and what we're projecting for the future, but it raises money for vital services, essential services here in Metro Detroit.
I see you're wearing your pride on your sleeve here, tiny homes. We've done so many stories on it. Talk about the Tiny Home Initiative, one of many you do at Cass Community.
Yeah, so it's a program. It's a 7-year program. People rent for a year at a time, and they participate in the program. At the end of that time, they'll be offered home ownership. So we currently have 21 people living in tiny homes. We have 5 homes under construction right now. And we're very excited about what it means for those people who will have an asset, most of them for the first time in their lives.
And this is life-changing stuff that's happening for the folks at the Tiny Home Program, but Cass in general, feeding people who are hungry, helping people get their lives back to where they want it to be. This is a critical point, and this pandemic has really hit nonprofits hard.
It certainly has. In terms of volunteers, we went from 7,000 to less than 1,000, right? In terms of dollars, as people have been worried about the economy and their own jobs. In terms of staffing, like everybody else, we've had trouble keeping up with enough staff. We haven't shut down not an hour since the pandemic started. So to keep staff, to keep people fed and sheltered and all the rest of that has been trying.
And now we have just a celebration of the work that you do, but also a fundraiser to make sure we get more dollars into the coffers at Cass Community. Coming up on Thursday, June 16th, they're auctioning off this 98, by the way, Motor Trend Car of the Year back in 98. Big deal. And this is, you guys are auctioning this off. Someone's going to want this badly.
I think so. Actually, it was given to our organization by a volunteer who spent over a decade helping us fix and paint and do things with the community where we're at, and he died unfortunately this March, but before he died he gave it to us so we could auction it off to continue his work.
And so let's get this auctioned off and raise some money. Reverend Fowler, we'll have you step over here. I'm going to talk to Bill Derringer, who is kind of the caretaker of this car in the meantime, and before it gets maybe to your driveway at home there. Bill, thanks for joining us. You want to start this puppy up?
Oh, hey, this is a great little car, and it's a great day to be driving it, so we're happy to be out here with you.
This is exciting. I'm going to put my seatbelt on here, and we're going to get this party rolling here. But you're basically going to tell us that this car, and this is really an incredible auction item. You know, usually you say, hey, we're going to auction off some jewelry, which is incredible, or something else. An actual cool 1998 Corvette. That's a big deal.
It was the fastest accelerating car built in 1998 in America, and it's just a pleasure to drive. It's smooth and quiet and fast, and does all the things it's supposed to do. We've done all the maintenance on it, put new tires on it, new battery, new oil and oil filter. It's ready to go to a new owner.
All right, you want to start this thing up, and let's get going. By the way, the website to go to, casscommunity.org. If you'd like to register to get this car, you got to join the auction. Again, the deadline is 8 p.m. on June 16th. That's when the fundraiser is. I'm glad to MC it, and I'm glad to see this car go into good hands, maybe yours. Let's drive this puppy away, huh?
All right, let's do it.
All right, here we go. Casscommunity.org. Woohoo! Back over to you guys.